Welcome back, everyone. You may be in a situation where for some reason you forgot your Snapchat passcode or your password. Now, this can happen for a couple of different reasons, but I'll explain to you exactly really the easiest way to go ahead and recover this. Now, you will need either the email or the phone number that is associated with your Snapchat account. So, if you totally forgot those things, then you're going to have to figure that out. This is in no way of like trying to go ahead and access account that you don't have access to. That is not this type of tutorial. You have to be the owner of the account or either have the email or the number in order to do this. So if you've already tried logging in and for some reason it doesn't work perfectly, well, when you click that little login option, you actually see right underneath it the forgot your password option. So all you have to do here, and it's very easy, all you have to do is click that forgot your password option, and it's going to give you two different ways to actually recover your account, either through a phone number or through your email. So let's go ahead and click on the first one. If you have your phone number that's associated with your account, all you'll have to do is literally type in the phone number that you have. So whatever that password is, you go and type it in. Then you go ahead and click continue. And they're going to essentially either send you a text message or they're going to call you to verify that password. And they probably will end up sending you a link on exactly how to recover your passcode for you. So that's the first way. Now, if you don't have a phone number associated with your account, you can also do it through your email. So if we hop back, click your forgot your password, you can verify it through your email. And right now I'm having network issues with my specific, iPhone. But in this case, all you have to do is pretty much, again, either type in that email associated with your account, and from there you can go ahead and do exactly what you need to do and recover your account via a password reset. So those are two different ways on how to recover your Snapchat account's password if you forgot it. If you guys have any other questions or anything like that, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that means so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. Every single subscriber that we get really does count, so it means so much if you guys can hit that. Also check out the other links down in the description as well. My Twitter, my Instagram, my other channels. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.